we will discuss another most important topic of class 9, Kepler's law. Kepler gives three laws of planetary motion. The first law, law of orbit, second law, law of areas, and third is law of period. What are these laws says and what the statement is totally about? Law of orbit means every planet revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit with the sun situated at one of the foci of the ellipse. Now there are two words, elliptical and foci. What is an elliptical and what is a foci? There is a special type of shape that is called an ellipse. This type of shape is called as an ellipse and this is called as elliptical shape or elliptical path. And in ellipse, the property of an ellipse, there are two focus. Suppose we consider F1 and second is F2. So two focus, the plural form of the focus is foci. So we consider as every planet revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit with the sun situated at one of its foci. Suppose we consider as in first focus there is a sun and here the planet P stand for planet. So it revolves around the sun in a fixed orbit and this fixed orbit is called as elliptical orbit. So it gives the law of orbit by the Kepler's first law. Same Kepler's second law means law of areas. Each planet moves in such a way that an imaginary line drawn from the sun to the planet sweeps out equal area in equal interval of time. Again I am repeating, each planet moves in such a way that an imaginary line drawn from the sun to the planet sweeps out equal area in equal interval of time. Now it's look like in this way. Suppose we consider the point P1, here point P2, this is point P3 and this is point P4 and we draw suppose imaginary lines and this swap out area, this area and this we consider as suppose point O. So area at O P1 P2 it is equals to area of O P3 P4 by the Kepler's second law, means law of area. Now third law, law of periods. This means that the cube of the planet's average distance from the sun is directly proportional to the square of the time period of the revolution of the planet around the sun. Again I am repeating the statement. Law of period means Kepler's third law. The cube of the planet average distance from the sun is directly proportional to the square of the time period of revolution of the planet around the sun. Kepler's third law, T square is directly proportional to R cube and we know very well if we remove this proportionality sign, so T square equals to constant into R cube. So this constant, or we have to, if you want to write, so if you write in this form also, T square by R cube equals to constant. T square by R cube equals to constant. This is the Kepler's third law and this third law, first law is law of orbit, second is law of area and third is law of period. These are the three laws which is given by the Kepler's in the context of planetary motion. I hope you understand the video and you understand the concept also. So thank you. We will meet very soon in our next video. Thank you.